Let me get this turned on. I got to get my camera all set up here. All right, are you still with me, Guy? Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you're gonna have to talk a little loud now because we want to make sure everybody can hear you. Okay, so we got you on the phone. Now you were saying that you got a Karmann Ghia that you were. How long have you been working on that Ghia from when you started on it?
Approximately 3 years.
Okay, now hold on. Was it 3 years when you got it and then you did some work to it and then you took it to the shop? How long has this shop had your car? That's what I want to know.
About 2.5 years.
2.5 years this shop has had your car. Now, go ahead and tell me, how much money have you already given this shop on this? Now, hold on. I want to make sure everybody knows what this is. This is a Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This is a very small car. Doesn't take a lot to restore one. Very simple and easy. Go ahead. How much money have you already given the shop?
About $12,000.
$12,000. Is that what you just said?
Yes.
So you've given these people $12,000. They've had your car for 2.5 fucking years, and they're not even done with it.
No,
now,
I'm done.
Let me go ahead and explain something to you, Guy. I've been in Moab, Utah for 2.5 years, and I have already completed 8 vehicles by myself. 8 vehicles by myself. I don't have employees. The only person I got is my wife that helps me hold stuff or block sands or does shit like that. That's not including my piece of shit Baja. We can go ahead and add that. Now that does include the shit show Volkswagen. I thought it didn't, but it does. And it doesn't include the UK Camaro or the Mustang. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That I'm working on now, or the GTO that I got here. This only includes all the cars that I have completely finished from start to finish and got them out of my shop. And you're telling me that this bullshit shop out in California has had your car for 2.5 years, $12,000 fucking dollars, and they don't even have paint on it yet.
No paint.
Okay, what do they actually have on it? What's going on? What stage are they in? And when was the last time you actually went over there, Guy?
I went over there probably two or 3 weeks ago, and they were still doing body work on it.
So now, did they strip your car to metal? Give us the idea of what they actually did to your car. Because we're talking. Let me say something here. We're talking a California car. Is that correct?
Yes.
So this car has, if any rust at all, very, very minimal. Am I right?
Right. Well, they believe it came from California, but it was in Seattle at
all right.
family members' house.
But it's a West Coast car, Guy.
Yes.
It's not from Pennsylvania. Okay? It's not from New Hampshire.
No, and the pans were all good. The pans were like new.
I mean, you even mentioned, you said rotisserie. Okay, what does it take to put a car on a rotisserie? You know, you unbolt, what is there? I think there's 23 bolts that hold the fucking pan onto the body. You get a couple guys, you lift it up, you hook it up on there, you flip it over, and whoopee wowie wow, we got it on a rotisserie.
Yeah, and I disassembled. I got the body off the pan.
So you did all that?
I did all the transmission and the suspension work, and mind you, I'm disabled, and I did that in 6 months, and I move very slow.
Now, what year is this car?
73.
Okay, 73 Karmann Ghia. I've done many, many, many of them. I used to have a Volkswagen junkyard. Okay, I can build a Volkswagen blindfolded. I can do it in my sleep after I got done eating 6 bowls of beans and farting all night. Does that make sense? So, Karmann Ghia Volkswagen ain't shit. It's a small car that has minimal body parts on it. I mean, what do you got here? You got, let's see, we got a trunk lid, a deck lid, and 2 fucking doors. That's all that bolts onto that car.
It's one piece.
It's a one-piece body. And you're telling me that this clown ass shop in California has had your car for 2.5 years, and they're still putting Bondo on it?
Yeah, they're still working. Well, they're at the point that they're sanding it down. I don't know if it's. I know they originally they've put did the body work, and they put it in epoxy primer after it was blasted.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, and
so they had the car sandblasted, basically.
Yeah.
If you were going to count gallons of Bondo, how many gallons would you say they used?
Oh shoot! I wouldn't think they had to use much, Pete, because the car was really straight.
So you're telling me that there wasn't several gallons of Bondo on it. You didn't have crushed front ends on it. You didn't have door dings and hail damage and all this other shit, or possibly warped panels from sandblasting.
Yeah, no, I don't think it had that, but they did have to change a door out because the door, and I got the door myself because it had the wrong door on the passenger side.
All right, let me ask you this question. You called my friend Pete, I believe.
Yes.
Or, I don't even know, did I talk to you about this car? I don't know if I did or not.
Yes.
So I did talk to you about this, because I talked to a lot of people. And what did I tell you when you called me? Because I don't remember. So you go ahead and tell me, because I talked to a lot of people. What did I tell you about your car? What did I tell you, buddy?
Well, I know first thing you said is do not give any money up front.
Mm-hmm. I'm asking you this question. Listen to me. Did you ask me about painting your car? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, so you called me up asking my advice on what you should do about your car going to this other shop. That's basically what you were asking my friend Pete.
Yes.
And what did I tell you?
I believe you said...
Don't give him any money up front. Do not give him anything until you have seen work done. How much money did you give him up front?
We had to give the $12,500, the $12,500, the $12,500.
So you gave them $12,000, $12,500 up front when you specifically asked my friend Pete, what should I do here, my friend Pete? What should I do? And I told you not to give them any money, only give them money when you see work done.
Yeah. And that, remember, it's not my car. It's a family member's car.
Okay.
Kind of put me in charge of watching.
I'm getting to a point here, okay? Now, does your family member know my friend Pete?
No.
Okay. Did you mention my friend Pete to him and said, this is what we should do?
Yes, I did.
So you're not even in charge of the payment plan now. It's him. All you are is a babysitter, and you're just checking it for him, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so he's not even talking. The shop's not even dealing with you. They're dealing with this relative that doesn't even live close to you.
Well, they're dealing with me, and I'm harder on them than he is.
Okay, but you're not hard on him, guy. Okay? If you're telling me going over to the shop and looking at it and saying, okay, and 2.5 years pass by, this is what being hard is. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sitting down?
I am.
What the fuck is going on with my car? You got $12,000 fucking dollars of my money. Why don't you have my fucking car done? You've had it for 2.5 fucking years. I don't see anything going on here. You call me up and tell me this, that, and the other, and some bozo guy's working on it, but you have 2 or 3 other cars in front of mine when I've been there 2.5 years. I want my fucking car, or I want my fucking money.
I agree 100%.
Okay, hold on. This is what they want. This will be their answer if you talk to them like that. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You don't talk to me that way, sir. This is a professional business. We are going to pack all your shit up and you come get your car off our property. If you don't like it, sue us. Your car will be sitting out in the back.
Yeah.
Do you see what I'm saying? Hold on, I'm not done yet. So now, you have given them $12,000 to tinker toy around with your car because that's all they've been doing. They are limiting themselves to get you pissed off. That's what they want you to do. They've already got your $12,000. That money is spent. They are now, what they're in the process of doing is robbing from Peter to pay Paul. They took your money. They already spent it on other shit. You're not going to give them no more money. I hope not anyway. I don't know. You might, since you didn't listen to me the first time. I mean, $12,500? And that's just a down payment to paint a Volkswagen Carmen Ghia? Really? How much was the total on this fucking job? Or did they even give you one?
That's going to be the total. minus some things that my family member added.
Okay, hold on a minute. You're telling me for them to work on your vehicle, they wanted full payment up front.
It was
They wanted you to give them full payment up front.
You're correct, Pete.
When do you expect these people to have your fucking car done, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I'll tell you what, it was supposed to be done last July.
Wow, that was what, 6 or 7, 8 months ago.
Yeah, that was the due date on it, and my family member had planned a party and was going to attend a car show with it, and they couldn't meet the deadline.
So what's your reaction to these people not doing what they're supposed to do? What have you said to them? That's what I'm asking you. What have you done to these people to say, hey, you're fucking around here and you're ripping me off? What have you said to them? What have you done to set your foot on the ground and be the boss of the situation? What have you done?
Well, I've called them weekly, but the holdup is the family member who says, I'm not in a hurry, I just want it done right. But
okay, so if you're not in a hurry and you want it done right, that means put my car in the back and use it for a storage unit until you think you should work on it.
That's the problem.
Is that what you're saying here? Because that's what it sounds like to me, guy. When I get a car to my shop, I don't ask for no fucking money up front. The only time I get money is when I do work to that vehicle. Do you understand that, sir? Are you listening, guy?
Yes.
When I get done with a certain stage, then you're going to give me money. If you don't have that money, then I'm going to be a hot motherfucker. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
I trusted you to bring your car to me, work on your car with no money down, and you better have my motherfucking money. I'm not going to sit here and say, it's going to cost $36,000 to paint your car, sir, and I want $15,000 up front. I'm not doing that. This is the reason why you don't do it, okay? First of all, they're going to take your money and spend it immediately. They're not going to put it in a savings account with your name on it. They're going to pay all their bills. They're going to pay their employees. And then your car is not going to get worked on because they got other cars to work on. You told me that this car does not specialize in custom cars. They do it on the side, that their main business is collision repair. That's what you said.
Yes, that's correct.
Getting a shop that does collision repair and does 1 or 2 or 3 cars on the side is the worst fucking thing you can do. They aren't worried about making money off your car because their money's going to come from the collision work. And that is their bread and butter, not your piece of shit old antique classic car that they don't give a rat fuck about, that they got $12,000 fucking dollars, okay, 12, my friend, and already spent it. They probably went to Hawaii. They probably went to Alaska. They probably went on a couple cruises around the fucking world with your money. This is what you should have asked me when you called me. What you should have asked me is you should have said, my friend Pete, how many cars you got in line? I want you to do my Carmen Gia.
That's what I wanted to do, and my family member did not want to wait for you to get to get.
So hold on a minute. I've done 8.
You would have still had it done before.
I had 8 cars done. I did 8 overall fucking restorations in 2.5 years. Your car's been at a shop for 2.5 years, and they don't even have primer on it. Ha! Let me tell you what. You need to tell your family member to call me so I can wise his ass up and get the stick out of his ass. How's that sound?
That sounds good.
Can I do that? You should have immediately asked me, when can you get to our car, Pete? We want you to restore it. Instead of saying, what do I do when I take it to this shop? Because the first thing I'm going to tell you, which I tell everybody, don't give them any money up front.
Yeah, it's a cluster, Pete. It really is.
Yeah, you're damn right. It's a cluster that says, you got the round, they took the shaft, and bam, bitch, put it right just like that. That's exactly what they did. Right there. Yeah. Okay? And they did it fucking hard, pal. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete. Thank you very much, Guy, for calling in and letting us know this story, how you fucked yourself and you let them do it to you. What else do you want me to say, guy?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
My friend Pete, your friend Pete, right here, letting you know people are out there ripping you off, sticking it into your ass, and making it not feel good. And you, my friend, are the fucking fool, not the shop. I got to go, sir. I'll see you later, buddy.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and clarify the situation. The guy calls me on the phone several years back, and he asked me what he should do. He didn't ask me about me painting the car or me restoring the car. He just asked my opinion. I give them my opinion, and they do totally the opposite of what I tell them. This is a scenario that nobody ever listens to me. I got a couple cars in my shop right now. I'm not going to name which ones they are. I have given suggestions. I told them what to do on their vehicles, and they do not listen, and what they decide to do has failed. And I'm the one that's got to pay for the action. I'm the one that's got to pay for it because nobody listens to the professional. Nobody listens to the professional. They get on the internet. They get on these so-called quote-unquote forums. They get on Facebook and they get on Twitter and they get on every other social media thing, and they listen to everybody else in the fucking world that knows everything and anything that they've never met in their life. They don't even know if they're talking to a guy or a girl. They might be talking to a dog. Who knows in these days and ages? But the real deal is if you're going to call a professional and you're going to talk to the professional right here, take his fucking advice and do what he tells you to do. Plain and simple. That's it. That's it.